Okay, so today and tomorrow we're going to be focusing on adding and subtracting polynomials. After the break, we'll be doing other operations with them. So a polynomial is the sum or difference of many monomials. Monomial means one term. Whoever's watching a video, turn it off. The highest exponent of a polynomial is called the degree. Okay, so this first term, the a is my leading coefficient. This is attached to my highest exponent. Okay, the stuff in the middle is just my other terms. Okay, and this last one at the end is called my constant. It's going to have no variable. Okay, so when I do this, I want to always write my exponents in descending order. That's highest to lowest. Okay, so on the first one, it wants me to write the polynomials in standard form. This first one, I'm going to write the variable one first, so I go 5x, and then I write the number all alone at the end. Okay, so on B, again, I want the one with the highest exponent, so that's the 7x squared. And then I'm going to have the 5x in the middle, and then the number goes all the way at the end. Okay, so on the last one, which one do I want to write first? Okay, and then the next one? No. What's my next highest exponent? Mm-hmm. And then my next one? And then do I have any more terms? Mm-hmm. So questions on writing the polynomials in standard form. Okay, so the next thing I have is polynomials are classified by their degree and the number of terms. So I can have, I'm also going to make a fourth one off the chart. So 0 is called constant, so that means I have no variable. It's just a number. If I have 1 degree, it's linear. Two is quadratic. Three is cubic. And 4 is quartic. Okay, the least amount of terms I can have is 1. This is called a monomial. I can have 2 terms. This is called a binomial. You can have 3. This is called a trinomial. And then anything over 4 is called a polynomial. Okay, so based on my degree on D, what is the degree name here? My highest degree is 1 on that exponent of the x. Linear. And then I have 2 terms, so it's going to be a linear binomial. Okay. Okay, so my highest exponent on the next one is 3. That's going to make it... And then I have 3 terms, so it's a cubic trinomial. Someone else, what's the next one going to be?
Cubic monomial?
So it's cubic because of my exponent, monomial because it's 1 term. So can someone give me an example of a cubic binomial? Okay, I heard 7x to the power of 3. Is this a binomial yet? What do I need to make it a binomial? Okay, plus 2. So now that I have 2 terms, it's a binomial. What about a linear monomial? Do I want to add anything to this? No, because it's a monomial. I only want to have it with 1 term. So questions on naming these. So on the backside, we are going to add the polynomials. What I want to do is I want to combine like terms. These have the same variable and exponent. So what's my highest exponent here? So x squared is my highest exponent, so I want to add all of my x squared terms together. What is 3 plus 1? 4, so I'm going to have 4x squared. Then what's my next highest exponent? Okay, so just the x's, so I have 4x and 2x. What's 4 plus 2? Okay. And then I want to add all the regular numbers together, which is just this 5. So this is my final answer. So I have another example. This one has parentheses. Parentheses don't change anything. So what's my highest exponent here?
X squared.
So I'm going to add the 3x squared and the x squared together. What's 3 plus 1? Okay, my next highest exponent? Okay, so 11x and the negative 5x are going to get put together. I want to keep the signs with them. What's 11 minus 5? And then I want to go ahead and add my terms, or my constant terms, I mean. So 4 minus 13 is? So questions there on J. Same idea on K. What's my largest exponent?
9x squared.
Yep. So the 9x cubed, I don't have anything to add that to. My next one?
4x, 2, and negative 2x.
So negative 4 minus 2 is? Then I have 2x and x. So 2 plus 1 is? And then I have my constants I want to add together. I have negative 10 and 7.